Welcome to the 2026 ASVAB Electronic Information Practice Test. This test will have 40 questions with explained answers that will help you prepare for the test. Be sure to boot that like button by turning it white. Now here's your ASVAB instructor to walk you through the questions.
Question 1. A technician is troubleshooting a power supply where the output voltage sags whenever the load increases. The rectifier and filter capacitor test good. Which component failure would most likely cause poor load regulation? A. Open bleeder resistor. B. Weak voltage regulator. C. Shorted transformer winding. D. Failed indicator lamp. The correct answer is B. Weak voltage regulator. A failing regulator cannot maintain stable output under load, causing voltage droop despite healthy rectifier and filter stages. Question 2. A digital circuit converts an analog signal into discrete digital steps. The resolution increases when the A. Clock frequency decreases. B. Number of bits increases. C. Input voltage decreases. D. Sampling rate decreases. The correct answer is B. Number of bits increases. More bits create additional quantization levels, improving accuracy by reducing step size and minimizing conversion granularity. Question 3. A transformer is humming loudly under load, even though voltage output is correct. Which condition most often causes this? A. Lamination vibration. B. Faulty core material. C. Insufficient winding turns. D. Low line frequency. The correct answer is A. Lamination vibration. Vibrating transformer laminations create magnetic buzz, especially under load when flux density increases substantially. Question 4. Which semiconductor device controls current using an electric field that modulates conductivity within a channel region? A. SCR. B. JFET. C. Triac. D. Zener diode. The correct answer is B. JFET. JFET operation depends on electric fields altering channel width, regulating current flow between drain and source terminals. Question 5. A 1 Henry inductor is placed in series with a rapidly switching DC signal. What effect does the inductor have? A. Blocks voltage spikes. B. Opposes sudden current changes. C. Filters high-frequency voltage. D. Reduces magnetic coupling. The correct answer is B. Opposes sudden current changes. Inductors resist abrupt current variations, smoothing fast transitions due to energy storage in their magnetic fields. Question 6. In a balanced AC bridge circuit, which condition indicates the bridge is properly balanced? A. Output equals supply voltage. B. No current flows through detector. C. All resistors have identical values. D. Input frequency doubles. The correct answer is B. No current flows through detector. When bridge arms proportionally match, potential difference across detector becomes zero, producing balanced, null output. Question 7. A capacitor is used in an audio crossover network. Increasing capacitance will cause the filter's cutoff frequency to A. Rise. B. Fall. C. Remain unchanged. D. Oscillate. The correct answer is B. Fall. Higher capacitance lowers capacitive reactance, shifting crossover point downward and attenuating higher frequencies more strongly. Question 8. A MOSFET operates in a switching power supply. What advantage makes MOSFETs preferable to BJTs in high-frequency applications? A. Lower breakdown voltage. B. Higher base current. C. Faster switching capability. D. Increased thermal resistance. The correct answer is C. Faster switching capability. MOSFETs switch rapidly due to voltage-controlled gates, minimizing storage delays typical in bipolar transistor charge recombination. Question 9. A 20-ohm resistor and a 30-ohm resistor are in series. If 10 volts are applied, the voltage across the 30-ohm resistor is approximately A. 3 volts, B. 4 volts, C. 6 volts, D. 7 volts. The correct answer is C. 6V. Voltage divides proportionally to resistance. 30 ohms receives 3/5 of total, producing 6 volts across it. Question 10. A switching regulator maintains constant output despite varying input voltage. What principle allows this efficiency? A. Continuous heat dissipation. B. Rapid on-off transistor switching. C. High-value series resistance. D. Linear voltage drop control. The correct answer is B. Rapid on-off transistor switching. Switch mode regulators modulate duty cycle, delivering controlled energy pulses without large losses of linear regulators. Question 11. In an RC timing circuit, which change will increase the time constant significantly? A. Reduce resistance. B. Reduce capacitance. C. Increase capacitance. D. Lower supply voltage. The correct answer is C. Increase capacitance. A larger capacitor stores more charge, increasing discharge duration and producing a noticeably longer time constant overall. Question 12. Which device converts DC to AC by rapidly switching current direction? A. Rectifier. B. Inverter. C. Regulator. D. Amplifier. The correct answer is B. Inverter. Inverters generate alternating waveforms by electronically reversing current direction at controlled, high-frequency switching intervals. Question 13. If a conductor moves perpendicularly through a magnetic field, what is induced? A. Electric current. B. Thermal energy. C. Mechanical strain. D. Static charge. The correct answer is A. Electric current. Faraday's law states motion across magnetic flux induces voltage, producing current in closed conductive loops. Question 14. A technician tests a diode and finds low resistance both directions. This indicates A. Forward bias. B. Reverse bias. C. Diode short. D. Diode open. The correct answer is C. Diode short. Equal resistance in both directions means internal p-n junction has failed, creating a shorted semiconductor path. Question 15. Which oscillator design uses a quartz crystal to maintain extremely stable frequency? A. Wien-Bridge. B. Hartley. C. Crystal oscillator. D. RC relaxation. The correct answer is C. Crystal oscillator. Quartz exhibits precise resonant characteristics, allowing crystal oscillators to produce highly stable, accurate frequencies. Question 16. A 100 millihenry inductor has its inductance reduced when A. Coil turns increase. B. Core permeability decreases. C. Core area grows. D. Wire diameter increases. The correct answer is B. Core permeability decreases. Lower magnetic permeability reduces magnetic coupling efficiency, decreasing inductance for the same coil geometry. Question 17. What happens when two inductors are placed very close together? A. Resistance increases. B. Capacitance increases. C. Mutual inductance increases. D. Voltage drops. The correct answer is C. Mutual inductance increases. Nearby inductors couple magnetic fields, allowing energy transfer and increasing mutual inductive interaction significantly. Question 18. A circuit uses a Zener diode for voltage regulation. It stabilizes voltage by operating in the A. Forward region. B. Avalanche region. C. Breakdown region. D. Cutoff region. The correct answer is C. Breakdown region. Zener diodes maintain nearly constant voltage in breakdown region, regardless of moderate current fluctuations through junction. Question 19. Which type of filter passes high frequencies while attenuating low frequencies? A. Low pass. B. Band stop. C. High pass. D. Notch. The correct answer is C. High pass. High-pass filters block slow-varying signals, allowing rapidly changing high-frequency components to pass effectively. Question 20. A transistor operating with no collector current is in what state? A. Saturation. B. Reverse bias. C. Cutoff. D. Forward conduction. The correct answer is C. Cutoff. When base emitter junction receives no bias, transistor stops conducting, placing collector current at 0. Question 21. If a capacitor in an AC circuit fails open, the circuit's reactance will A. Increase. B. Decrease. C. Reverse polarity. D. Become purely inductive. The correct answer is A. Increase. An open capacitor halts current flow, effectively raising capacitive reactance to extremely high levels. Question 22. A bridge rectifier contains how many diodes? A. 1. B. 2. C. 3. D. 4. The correct answer is D. 4. Bridge rectifiers use 4 diodes in a diamond configuration to produce full-wave DC output from AC input. Question 23. What happens to LED brightness when current is reduced? A. Brightness increases. B. Brightness decreases. C. Color changes. D. Voltage spikes. The correct answer is B. Brightness decreases. LED brightness directly depends on forward current. Lowering current reduces photon emission intensity noticeably. Question 24. A varistor protects equipment by A. Storing energy. B. Regulating heat. C. Clamping voltage spikes. D. Increasing capacitance. The correct answer is C. Clamping voltage spikes. Varistors rapidly drop resistance during surges, shunting excessive voltage away and preventing circuit damage. Question 25. A fuse rated at 5 amps will blow when A. Voltage rises. B. Current exceeds 5 amps. C. Resistance decreases. D. Frequency changes. The correct answer is B. Current exceeds 5 amps. Fuses protect circuits by melting when excessive current flows, instantly opening the electrical path. Question 26. Which unit measures inductance? A. Watt. B. Henry. C. Coulomb. D. Farad. The correct answer is B. Henry. The Henry defines inductance based on induced voltage relative to the rate of current change. Question 27. In a tuned LC circuit, resonance occurs when A. Voltage equals current. B. Inductive and capacitive reactance cancel. C. Resistance is maximum. D. Frequency is 0. The correct answer is B. Inductive and capacitive reactance cancel. Equal reactances create zero net reactance, allowing maximal energy exchange and defining resonance frequency. Question 28. Which material is commonly used as a semiconductor? A. Copper. B. Silicon. C. Aluminum. D. Gold. The correct answer is B. Silicon. Silicon's controlled conductivity and abundance make it the foundational semiconductor for most electronic devices. Question 29. A signal amplifier increases A. Frequency. B. Voltage or current. C. Capacitance. D. Coil resistance. The correct answer is B. Voltage or current. Amplifiers increase signal magnitude by boosting voltage, current, or both without significantly altering frequency. Question 30. What happens if you reverse the polarity on an electrolytic capacitor? A. Capacitance increases. B. Capacitance decreases. C. It may overheat or explode. D. Nothing happens. The correct answer is C. It may overheat or explode. Electrolytic capacitors cannot tolerate reversed polarity, causing dielectric breakdown and potential catastrophic failure. Question 31. A shunt resistor in an ammeter is used to A. Increase voltage. B. Divert excess current. C. Reduce capacitance. D. Modify frequency. The correct answer is B. Divert excess current. Shunts protect meters by bypassing most current, allowing precise measurement of large currents safely. Question 32. Transistors in saturation behave most like A. Open switches, B. Closed switches, C. Capacitors, D. Oscillators. The correct answer is B. Closed switches. Saturated transistors conduct heavily, resembling closed switches with minimal voltage drop across collector-emitter. Question 33. A resistor color code of red, violet, orange represents A. 2.7 kilohms, B. 27 kilohms, C. 270 ohms, D. 27 ohms. The correct answer is B. 27 kilohms. Red equals 2, violet 7, orange multiplier 1,000, producing 27,000 ohms total resistance. Question 34. A device that changes AC to smooth DC is A. Oscillator, B. Rectifier, C. Transformer, D. Inductor. The correct answer is B. Rectifier. Rectifiers convert alternating current into direct current through diode arrangements allowing one-direction conduction. Question 35. What is the purpose of a heat sink? A. Store energy. B. Absorb electromagnetic noise. C. Dissipate thermal energy. D. Increase frequency. The correct answer is C. Dissipate thermal energy. Heat sinks provide large surface area for thermal dissipation, protecting components from overheating damage. Question 36. If resistance increases while voltage stays constant, current will A. Increase, B. Decrease, C. Remain constant, D. Reverse direction. The correct answer is B. Decrease. Ohm's law dictates current decreases when resistance rises while voltage remains unchanged. Question 37. A capacitor blocks A. DC, B. AC, C. Magnetic fields, D. Heat transmission. The correct answer is A. DC. Capacitors prevent steady DC flow due to charging, but allow AC through repeated charge-discharge cycles. Question 38. Which device stores charge and releases it slowly? A. Fuse, B. Capacitor, C. Relay, D. Zener diode. The correct answer is B. Capacitor. Capacitors accumulate charge across plates and gradually release it, depending on discharge path resistance. Question 39. The purpose of a ground connection is to A. Increase voltage, B. Provide safety path, C. Reduce inductance, D. Strengthen magnetism. The correct answer is B. Provide safety path. Grounding routes fault current safely, preventing electric shock and reducing equipment damage risks. Question 40. A transistor configured with feedback to produce oscillations is operating as A. Rectifier, B. Filter, C. Modulator, D. Oscillator. The correct answer is D. Oscillator. Positive feedback sustains oscillations, allowing transistor circuits to generate continuous periodic waveforms.
Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Check out these videos that can help with your ASVAB tests. If you need more help beyond these videos, we have free practice tests on our website. We have those links down in the description. Don't forget to boot that like button and to subscribe to our channel.